Broke 23. CB Radio is killing my YouTube channel. I originally started this YouTube channel doing CB Radio related stuff. I'm 56 years old 2 days ago. I'm kind of an old timer in YouTubeville because I look at my analytics and my viewership is basically from 22 to 45, and then from about 45 to 55 it kind of goes back down a little bit. And I like to dabble in many things. I have many hobbies or interests. I started doing CB radio when I was 11. I started getting, at that same time, 11 and 12, I started getting into home audio. You guys would call it vintage home audio. It was just home audio back then to us. I was also into car audio way back in the early days before I even had a driver's license in the late 70s. So I had, and then lawnmower repair and some mechanics because I'm kind of mechanical that way. So anyway, I do those type of videos on this channel, and I'm breaking all the video influencer rules, but I am kind of a rule breaker in my own way, not legally or anything. But the influencers say, look, you have to focus on a specific niche. This is where you're going to get your subscribers. This is where you're going to make money. This is how you're going to become rich and famous. Okay, well, fine, but that ain't me. I want to keep this channel organic, and I basically, honestly, I do this channel for a couple of reasons actually. I want to give back to the YouTube community because I've learned so many things on YouTube. So I figure, hey, I'm full of misinformation. Maybe I'll make a video on how I successfully fix stuff. What you guys don't see are the other 400 projects that don't pan out. So I film the ones that do. And hopefully I can teach somebody how to make their lawnmower run again, or something on CB radio, or something with Bluetooth or with home audio. I'm going to be doing some speaker repair videos. I've always done speaker repair. Yeah, it's kind of a mix and match thing. And I guess where I'm going with this is I looked at those analytics today and I'm like, CB radio stuff is killing my YouTube channel. And or maybe it's just me, combination of both. But that being said, I want to thank all of you guys that have been there supporting me through all these years. 19,000 subscribers. That's just crazy. I never thought that would ever happen. Ever. I wasn't even trying for that. I was just trying to give back and maybe help some other people. I know that sounds mushy, but that's the way it is. So, if you're a home audiophile, and I really hate that term, because like I say, I've been into audio forever, and I hate that term. But if you're a home audiophile, you left me because of my CB stuff. All right? CBers are generally electronically oriented, maybe a little more so than like your average audio consumer. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I appreciate you guys sticking with me that joined me for the lawnmower repair stuff. I mean, that's awesome. But like I say, I think it's kind of a thing with guys in my age group. We kind of like to dabble around in many different fields and interests. And I don't really know where I'm going with this. I just want to thank you guys because I've been wanting to thank you guys for a long time. Because honestly, without you, there's no me. And that means a lot to me. So thank you. I have 5 YouTube channels. This is the one that I work on mostly. I've got a 10-year anniversary coming up on this channel. I think on my 10th anniversary, I'm going to launch another channel. It may or may not go anywhere, but here again, I'm going to share another passion that I have. Bet you couldn't guess what that is. Anyway, you can always trust a fat chef. So once again, thanks for watching. Stick with me. This winter is going to be really cool because I got a lot more stuff coming up. And we're going to attempt to do some repairs. You got to fry a few to fix a few. My old buddy Ben once told me. And we're going to have some fun. So thanks for hanging out. And cheers to all of you. And cheers to all of those guys overseas that are watching this, because that's just crazy. I'm so overwhelmed by people actually even binge watch this channel. Are you kidding? Oh man, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Scotty Kilmer impersonation going on here. Didn't mean to do it. I'm Italian. I can't help it. All right, over and out. Later, you guys.